Look, it's a flood.
It's a flood.
It's flooding.
Get away.
Quick, we need to get to higher ground.
Open the floodgates.
Alright, let's relitigate somebody in history. Who do you want? Alright, so...
Relitigate?
Alright, so let's pick somebody in history who is either, like, everybody loves and explain why they're actually a dick, or who everybody thinks is a dick, but actually should, you know, get some props.
Somebody's been spending time on Reddit. This also reminds me of that when you said let's relitigate somebody in history, it reminded me of that one pope that dug up that other pope so he could charge him with heresy after his death. And I'm like,
Forever petty.
Yeah, I'm like, what is that like? Is that like peak petty? Is that like petty goals? Like be powerful enough to be able to dig up your dead ops and be like, nah, you know what? Actually, you can't run from this. You can't escape this. The flood is rising up.
Oh, hold on. I wanted to say, let's relitigate Michael Jordan. He is a terrible father.
Oh, there's a whole
He
lot.
is a terrible father.
Oh.
All right, so like,
Are you
like
saying that because his son was seen doing coke at that French restaurant during the
and that his
Olympics?
relationship with his son is so fucking bad that he dated his teammate's ex-wife?